is with me tonight on sign language. Let's begin the show tonight with our top story. Now, lawyers tonight can heave a sigh of relief after a court right here in Nairobi suspended the implementation of a new law that requires lawyers to report their clients' illegal cash transactions to the state. Now, the Proceeds of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Amendment Bill was assented to by President Uhuru Kenyatta and requires the lawyers to keep cash records of transactions beyond 1 million shillings, as KTN's Daniel Kariuki reports.
After the two motions, the House will be moving.
In a petition filed before the court, Mwaura Kabata, a lawyer, challenged the proposed law that require lawyers to blow whistle on their clients' cash transactions. The petition faulting Proceeds of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Bill 2021 that was passed by National Assembly and sent into law by President Uhuru Kenyatta. It seeks to include advocates as reporting persons in the proceeds of crime cases or money laundering. Justice James Makau has stopped implementation of that specific clause, saying the applicant demonstrated that the interim orders, if not granted, the advocates and their staff believed to be the targets by the referred section shall be prejudiced. In a case filed before the High Court, Mwaura says if implemented, the law would lead to breach of advocate-client confidentiality. In the proposed law, advocates will be required to keep cash records of transactions that are beyond 1 million shillings. Mwaura's lawyer, Omwanza Ombati, says Parliament illegally gave Financial Reporting Centre FRC sweeping powers that are not provided for in the Constitution. The debate on the floor of the House elicited mixed reactions, with some MPs maintaining no aspect of the bill rendered it unconstitutional.
I want to thank the members of this House who have risen to the challenge to cleanse this country of money laundering, of wash, of being condemned to a pariah state, being put at the same level as Somalia.
Those who are comfortable now because they have the system in the deep state, but I'm telling you, this is very dangerous. And one day you'll cry because of this bill, this law that we are passing. Yes, it is really, I'm sorry, but some of you will be crying because of this.
They are rights that have been given also by the Constitution. And you cannot deny them through a statute, Mr. Chair. And you know, this bill is going to end up in court. This bill is going to go to court, Chair. So don't allow people's money to be frozen just because of suspicion.
The matter will come up for mention on the 22nd January to confirm its compliance and for other directions.